So I'm getting back on my anti-inflammatory diet, which limits most red meat, dairy, refined sugar, carbs, so just things that really make you inflamed and puffy. And I did a little bit of a grocery haul today, so I'm going to show y'all what I got. And most of these items are either from Costco, Aldi, Whole Foods, or Kroger. Starting off, this is my protein section. So this is what I eat in a week for protein. I start my week off with these prepackaged meals from Whole Foods. They are so delicious. This saves me so much time on Sundays when I do go grocery shopping. Put this in the oven and I have enough food to last me at least until Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. Then of course I have pasture-raised eggs. I love Chilean sea bass. This is my favorite white fish. It is a little pricey, so I only get one piece, but I got this from Costco. I have chicken sausage. These RX bars, they're really clean. These are the only ingredients in them, which I love, and they are packed with, I believe, 12 grams of protein, so this is a good little snack in between meals. Cottage cheese is not anti-inflammatory, and I am limiting my dairy to only this, so I did want to get at least a little bit of cottage cheese because look at the protein. 13 grams per serving. So I do maybe once or twice a day a little bit of cottage cheese, so the full serving amount. Then I have ground turkey. I try to get organic wherever I can. Uncured turkey bacon, both of these came from Costco. And this is already in my freezer. I'm just defrosting it to meal prep for today. But this is organic chicken breast that I got from Aldi. Moving on to my fruits and veggies section, I have baby spring mix, which is like the lettuce and the spinach, gala apples, and then berries. I only get organic blueberries and strawberries, and these are the only fruits I eat because even though fruits have natural sugars, they're still sugars, and I try to limit the amount of sugar I am intaking. So I only do berries and then apples with peanut butter here and there when I want a little sweet treat. And then I love this brand of veggies. They're fire roasted, and they do taste like they came off of a grill. And I got a huge bag for like $7 at Costco, and it was on sale, so get you some. I got these sweet peppers from Whole Foods, and I got these because they're also on sale. And I like to eat those with hummus and put them in my eggs or chop them up and put it in my ground turkey. And then I got some uber greens. These are also really clean ingredients. There's nothing crazy, no preservatives in there, and there's no added sugar, which I enjoy. So this is great in the mornings. And I also got avocado for my avocado toast with my fried eggs. And then more veggies. I try to stick to mostly green veggies, and I just cook these up and just have these as side items to my protein. And last is my carb nut section. So I love pistachios. So I wanted to try this pistachio milk. Got it from Whole Foods. It only had 3 ingredients and there was no added sugar. So I was like, let me try it. Was a little pricey. This was like $9. So I'm just trying it. I'm not going to say if I'm going to continue to purchase it, but I wanted to try it with this granola. 7 Sundays is my favorite brand. It has a lot of protein, no added sugar, and I love peanut butter and chocolate. So this was something I could use as like a little snack in between meals, or if I'm running super late, want to get a quick breakfast. And I always start my mornings with chicken broth or some type of bone broth on an empty stomach. This is my favorite brand because look at the ingredients. Really clean. This was about $5. Got that from Whole Foods. Again, with the carbs, I'm keeping it low to no, and sourdough is the most carb-friendly bread outside of Ezekiel bread. I've been eating Ezekiel bread for the past 3 months, so I wanted to switch it up and get some sourdough, but as you can see, no added sugar, and it's really just wheat and water and some kosher. But my favorite alternative. And instead of cooking with olive oil, I've been cooking with beef tallow, and it's been such a game changer with the inflammation, because I'll put up a graphic if I can find one, but I'll put up a graphic to show you the chart that basically goes over the types of oils and their inflammatory risk. So the most natural way to cook your food is in animal fat, because animal fat is natural. It's not refined, it's not processed, it's straight from the source. And then lastly is peanut butter. I make sure I get the peanut butter that does not have palm oil or sunflower oil. It's just unsweetened and unsalted, so it's literally just peanuts. That's the only ingredient, and there's no added sugar in this as well. As my little food haul, I don't know everything. I'm just restarting this journey, and I'm educating myself as I go. So if you have any foods, any places you shop at that have anti-inflammatory products that you recommend, leave them in the comments below, and then follow me to see how this journey goes.